Looking to build wealth through real estate in 2025? The Seattle area has hidden pockets offering high rental rates and strong appreciation potential. And today, we'll explore top 5 investment-friendly neighborhoods you should consider right now. Hey, Ravi Ramachandran with the Rams Group here. We work with buyers, sellers, and investors across the Seattle and East Side areas, helping them make smart and data-driven decisions. Now, this video isn't just about hype. It's about places offering real potential for cash flow and equity, which should help you. Now, let's look at the areas one by one. Area number 1 would be the Kent and Renton corridor. With the new light rail extensions, rents are growing at the rate of about 6 to 8% annually, and strong school districts in this area attract young professionals. Now, a single family fixer in Kent is listed under $700,000, which can rent for about $3,200 per month, delivering solid returns. And area number 2 would be Federal Way and South King County. Now, transit-oriented development is reshaping this area, and median prices are still under $600,000. Now, expect 5 to 7% appreciation plus rental demand from tenants make this a promising choice. Now let's look at area number 3, which would be Lakewood and Pierce County. Ooh, this is a good one. Now, with major military and hospital employers, median home prices are around $500,000. And the reason why I showed lower is it's lower than King and Sammamish County. And with 6% rent to value ratios, this place gives a strong cash flow potential and a long-term upside as well. Now let's look at area number 4, which is Redmond Ridge and Sammamish Plateau. Now, these areas have solid schools, tech development, and new construction homes, making them growth strongholds. Now, entry price is around $900,000, which is a little steep, but rent can reach about $4,200, give or take, per month, making it have a great resale potential. Now, then let's look at area number 5, which is Shoreline and North Seattle. Now, these offer walkable hubs, light rail access, and has a mix of single families as well as condos. Price around $800K. The rent averages around $3,600, give or take, per month. Now, it's part of Seattle, but less crowded and more affordable, making it a dream for home buyers. So these are the top 5 places that I am watching in 2025, specifically for real estate investors. Now, if you want to help run the numbers, analyze deals, or just tour properties in these areas, let's connect. Feel free to DM, call, or book into my calendar. I've included my contact information in the description below. Well, let's grow your wealth together, shall we?